When homeowners in Gilbert, Arizona, choose windows for their homes, the local climate plays a crucial role in the decision-making process. Known for its hot desert climate, Gilbert experiences long, hot summers and mild winters. As a result, window choices are not just about aesthetics or cost, they're about energy efficiency, comfort, and long-term durability. In this video, we'll explore how Gilbert's climate influences window choices and offer tips for homeowners looking to make the best investment in their property. The desert climate and its challenges. Gilbert is located in the heart of the Sonoran Desert, which means that summers can be scorching with temperatures often exceeding 100 degrees Fahrenheit. In contrast, winters are mild, with average temperatures hovering around the 60s and 70s during the day. While these pleasant winter conditions may not pose a major challenge for windows, the extreme heat in the summer creates significant demands for insulation and energy efficiency. The most pressing challenge for homeowners in Gilbert is controlling indoor temperatures and managing energy costs during the summer months. Poorly chosen windows can lead to heat gain, where unwanted heat enters the home, causing the air conditioning system to work harder and driving up energy bills. At the same time, effective windows can help reduce this heat gain while allowing for better cooling and insulation during the winter months. The role of window materials. The material of the window frame plays a big role in how well it performs in Gilbert's hot climate. Three primary materials are commonly used for window frames: wood, vinyl, and fiberglass. Each material has its pros and cons when it comes to energy efficiency in extreme heat. Vinyl windows. Vinyl windows are one of the most popular options in Gilbert due to their affordability, energy efficiency, and low maintenance. These windows provide excellent insulation against both heat and cold, which is crucial for regulating indoor temperatures. They also tend to have low U values, which measure how well the window resists heat transfer. This can help keep the cool air inside during the summer months and reduce the amount of energy needed for air conditioning. Fiberglass windows. Fiberglass is a highly durable and energy-efficient material. It has excellent thermal performance, making it a great option for the hot desert climate. While more expensive than vinyl, fiberglass windows are highly resistant to warping, swelling, and cracking, even in extreme temperatures. This makes them an ideal long-term investment for homeowners who want windows that will last while maintaining energy efficiency. Wood windows. While wood windows are known for their aesthetic appeal, they are less commonly chosen for homes in hot climates due to the maintenance required and their susceptibility to heat damage. Wood can absorb moisture, leading to warping and deterioration over time, especially in the extreme heat of Gilbert. However, if properly treated and sealed, wood windows can still offer decent insulation and energy efficiency. Glass coatings and low-E technology. The type of glass used in windows is another critical consideration for homeowners in Gilbert. Single-pane windows, while cheaper up front, are much less efficient in regulating heat than double-pane windows with low emissivity, low-E coatings. Low-E glass is a popular choice for homes in hot climates because it helps reflect the sun's heat and UV rays away from the home. This reduces the heat entering through the glass, helping to maintain cooler indoor temperatures without overworking the air conditioning system. Double-glazed windows, which feature two layers of glass with a gas-filled space in between, provide an additional layer of insulation, helping to minimize energy loss. Shading and solar control features. In addition to choosing the right frame and glass type, homeowners in Gilbert should also consider the impact of shading and solar control features. Window coverings like exterior shades, shutters, or awnings can significantly reduce solar heat gain. Windows with built-in shading features, such as overhangs or insulated frames, can also offer added protection from the intense desert sun. Conclusion. Choosing the right window for Gilbert's climate. Choosing the right windows for your Gilbert home involves more than just picking a style or color that suits your taste. It's about selecting windows that will protect your home from the extreme temperatures of the Arizona desert. By focusing on energy-efficient materials like vinyl or fiberglass, opting for low-E glass to block heat, and considering shading options to reduce direct sunlight, you can ensure that your home stays comfortable year-round while minimizing energy consumption. Investing in the right windows for Gilbert's hot climate is not just an aesthetic choice, it's an investment in long-term energy savings, comfort, and the overall value of your home. By taking these climate-specific factors into account, homeowners can enjoy a cooler, more energy-efficient home for years to come.